Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurul Dayana, normal matric A20A1857. Want to presentation about introduction. We choose company Delima Oil Products Sedan Berhad and FTV Holding Berhad. Introduction. Saji is the inspiration for Delima Oil Products Sedan Berhad, which is located at Level 3A Wisma FGV Jalan Raja Laut, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Starting in 2000 when entering the challenging FMCG sector as a subsidiary of FGV Holding Berhad. The current chairman of FGV Board of Directors is Datuk Wir Azhar Abdul Hamid. The rapid development of Saji company since then has enabled Saji business to grow into three main areas of operation, namely oil palm refining, manufacturing of processed oil palm product, distribution of industrial product, and consumer DOPSP promise to provide uncompromised quality. Vision provide reference for delicious, best, interesting food placed in Malaysia in the form of online. Share knowledge with readers in obtaining tips and information on the best food place and must try. Next, mission. Okay, the first mission is to compile quality article to share knowledge about food place through article on the Saji. Example, cheap store information, recommendation, and more. The second mission is to increase the number of blog reader by 10% every month. The third mission is to build a strong and trust brand for Saji by investing a certain amount of money to build a unique website structure and have an official blog logo. The last mission is to strengthen the Saji brand by trying to get the attention of the office, sale media such as newspaper, television, magazine or books. Next, organization chart. Okay, you can see first chairman. Chairman is Datuk Zulkifli Abdul Wahab, and second non-independent non-executive director is Datuk Amiruddin Abdul Safar. And then non-independent non-executive director is Basharul Anwar Sarman. Next non-independent non-executive director is Datuk Delima Sabjiman. Next senior independent non-executive director is Datuk Muhammad Rafiq Safi Muhammad. And then independent non-executive director is Datuk Noni Ashirin, Datuk Muhammad Razi. And then independent non-executive director is Kasmuri Sukardin. And the last one is independent non-executive director is Nik Fazirani Muhammad Syafruddin. Next, company integrate supply chain framework. Okay, next, supply network. Supply network is a group of suppliers who help the company provide value to its consumer by manufacturing and delivering items. Okay, next, utilization of 3PL provider. Outsource logistics service from 3PL, third-party logistics provider cover everything that involves the administration of one or more component of procurement and fulfillment activities. In the commercial world, TPL refer to any service contract involving the storage or transportation of goods. 3PL service such as transportation or warehouse storage may be provided by a single provider, or there may be a collecting of system-wide service capable of performing supply chain management. Okay, next, integrate enterprise. First, procurement. The act of purchasing product or service, usually for business objective, is known as procurement. Okay, next, manufacturing. Manufacturing is the process of converting raw material or pans into computing using tool, human labor, machine, and chemical processing. Okay, next, logistics. Okay, the total process of managing how resources are bought, stored, and transport to their eventual destination is referred to as logistics. Okay, the last one is customer relationship. The sum of all customer interaction and experience is customer relation, which is a company-wide process of developing strong relationship with your consumer. Okay, next, market distribution network. Okay, the manufacturing company is a company from FGV Holding Berhad Filter, which produce all palm fruit. Next, the all palm fruit is sent to the main warehouse to collect the prescribed amount of all palm fruit. In addition, the all palm fruit has been distributed to the regular warehouse to produce palm oils. Once the palm oil process is complete, the palm oil is distributed to supermarket and grocery store. Finally, palm oil can be bought by customer, namely the community in Malaysia. Benefit of supply chain integration have three. First, stay on top of demand. Second, flexibility. And the last one, eliminate waste. Okay, we see stay on top the demand. The Delima Oil Products Sedan Berhad maintain the quantity and quality of its company's product to meet customer demand. In addition, FGV Holding Berhad maintain his high palm oil price in the market. Okay, next, flexibility. FGV is one of the largest compound fertilizer manufacturer in Malaysia, with the world first production plant with the flexibility to produce urea or ammonium sulfate-based compound. Okay, next, eliminate waste. FGV Holding Berhad role is to develop the socio-economic sector as well as planning community programs, where issues and challenges has been faced by FGV Holding Berhad since its inception, including corruption and malpractice cases in recent years that have been linked to the national mega scandal. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aina Nabila binti Syamsul Afandi and my matric number is A20A1666. Here are the company's supply chain management practices, which is strategic supply partnership. A strategic supply partnership is described as a long-term collaboration between a central business and its suppliers in order to get greater strategic and operational capabilities, not only for the focal company but also for its suppliers. For strategic partnership, Delima Products in Berhad and DKSH Malaysia in Berhad have established a product distribution partnership to expand the sale of FGV's downstream product into the hotels, restaurant and cafe sector. The agreement takes place when it has been scrutinized and convinced that DKSH has a broad and efficient supply chain that might help TOP to establish and strengthen its position as a major and dominant consumable oils and fats player inside the domestic markets and possibly worldwide. Second is customer relationship, where it is an approach through which company or other organization manage its contacts with customers, generally by analyzing huge quantities of data. Customers' connection is the company-wide practice of cultivating positive relationships, as well as the total of all customer encounters and experience. Every action performed by the employees of the organization either helps or detracts the strong customer connection. In order to maintain the relationship between the customers, the Chief Executive Officer, CEO of Delima Products in Berhad, said that they wanted to rebranding their logo because they think that through rebranding they will be able to give Saji emblem a modern and contemporary style with a consumer-friendly design, attracting new generation while maintaining the loyal customers. They also think that the new design will capture the attention of both existing and new consumers, ensuring that the Saji brand remain visible option for mention. Other than that, Delima Products in Berhad also has launched a campaign to equal the value of its goods purchased by the public to be contributed and donated on their behalf in acknowledgement of growing from the public support. Each week, Saji will contribute the money collected to the selected non-governmental organizations, NGOs. Yayasan Felda, Mercy Malaysia, and National Cancer Council are among the organizations that has been chosen to receive the raise from the campaign. With the support from the customers, Saji now wishes to be has market share more than 35% in Malaysia, where it began only with cooking oil and now has become a reputable and trusted brand.
Information systems are defined as the collection, storage and processing of data that is used to deliver information, add to knowledge and create digital products that aid decision making. There are 5 types of information systems. Among them are Operation Support System (OSS), Transaction Processing System (TPS), Process Control System (PCS), Enterprise Collaboration System (ECS), and Management Support System (MSS). Among the information systems used by Saji are Transaction Processing System (TPS). It is very helpful in ensuring that every transaction can be carried out more systematically to avoid any mistake. For example, manage sale order entry, payroll, employee record, manufacturing and shipping. The second information system is Process Control System (PCS). This system is one of the most important systems in the manufacturing industry. The system aims to monitor each output manufacturing process so that it can be produced safely and effectively. It is also used to ensure the quality of the product produced and improve the performance of the product itself. For example, by maintaining the room temperature at a certain temperature to ensure the quality of the product is always maintained. The third information system is Enterprise Collaboration System (ECS). This system is very used nowadays because it includes cooperation software as well as social network that facilitate two-way communication without involved movement. It also serves as a process which can help employees from different organizations get involved in teamwork.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Ijazati binti Aziza, matric number A281868. Okay, my part is about utilization of 3PI providers. Okay, 3PI is outsourced logistics service that provide everything that involve the administration of one or more components of procurement and fulfillment activities. Okay, so as a subsidiary of FGV Holdings in July 2019, FGV Transport successfully started as 3PA provider for the Delima oil product. Okay, FGV Transport is a comprehensive logistics service provider that meets domestic and international transportation and shipping needs. Okay, next is cooperation with competitors. Cooperation is an act of cooperation between a company and a competing company or a business that is involved in both competitions. So meanwhile, for supply chain, collaboration is about the coordination of internal divisions and external partners to maintain and optimize flow through the supply chain to meet demand efficiently. Okay, so for Delima oil product, which is a subsidiary of FGV Holdings Berhad, has collaboration with the KSH9 Berhad to expand the distribution of its product into the hotel sectors, restaurants or cafe. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Siti Husana binti Aizat and my metric number is A2081980. So now I will present postponement. Postponement refers into the laying a child inform identify or location anti-consumer commitment inquiry. It's done by maximizing item similarity and delaying the point of distinction in the manufacturing and distribution process. In such a product, this postponement is necessary since it minimizes uncertainty and risk as well as product diversity. Okay, next type of postponement. There are three types, which is form, place, and time postponement. Postponement we have 5, which is labeling, packaging, assembly, manufacturing, and time postponement. So the benefit of postponement is reduction in inventory, reduction in lead time to the end user, and ability to react quickly to customer demand that may deliver oil product being fast from competitor. Okay, now I will talk about vendor managed inventory. BML when suppliers manage their customer inventory, the standard is for customer to only buy what they move. If the vendor can get the customer delivery for such cooking oil, such as the product from the Delima oil products in the market, the issue of insufficient stock of cooking oil will not rise. To ensure that both sides profit, the relation between customer and vendor must be close. Okay, there is some of benefit of BML, which is more control, steering customer vendor relationship, reduce inventory overstock and stock shortage, and lastly is increased sale. And last but not least, performance measuring is a method for gathering how well product is on track to meet the goal, and the Delima oil product use balance scorecard. There's a few benefits of the performance measuring, and what can I tell is using this can make the Delima oil product make a core process. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Based on this research, we can go further about how Delima Oil Products and Delima Berhad manage their company. As far as we know, Delima Oil Products and Delima Berhad inspire Saji as their commercial name. As we know, Saji is the largest food brand in Malaysia. All Malaysians know if we talk about the Saji brand, Delima Oil Products and Delima Berhad is dealing with the largest supply chain due to large business all over the world. Delima Oil Products and Delima Berhad always maintain their relationship with customer to maintain their business. Delima Oil Products and Delima Berhad, without proper management and coordination, it cannot link the function, and without the collaboration, it cannot satisfy their partner of the organization, and supply chain strategy must mesh with the organization structure. Last but not least, companies should follow all the supply chain management practice. For example, maintain their information system to make sure that customers get latest update about their product to ensure that company can run smoothly.